If you're tired of getting lost in the YouTube abyss but still want to grow your channel, here's how to make the new algorithm love you. First, create high-quality, engaging content. You have 15 seconds to hook your viewers, so make it count. Encourage likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. They all signal engagement. Next, optimize for watch time. Aim for videos over 8 minutes to take advantage of mid-roll ads and group-related videos into playlists for binge watching. Thumbnails and titles are your clickbait. Make them eye-catching and enticing, but don't mislead. Experiment with A/B testing to see what works best. Don't forget SEO. Use keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. They help YouTube categorize your content. Consistency is key. Stick to a regular posting schedule and focus on a specific niche to build a dedicated audience. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments and use community posts and stories to keep the interaction going. Finally, use data to improve. Analyze YouTube analytics and jump on trends within your niche. Follow these strategies and you'll be algorithm approved in no time.